Johar. Cheleka menapea.
Abu Santali Persia chiki do kana all chiki anoa serma re abu all chiki sai serma pura kana joto hor gebon badaya to abu bon badaya noa all chiki tikate arbon seraya khali abu mote do bang abu disam sausante barhe disam ren gate ko in all chiki sera ko se in upuruma ko to ona gebon nial ka lagi ona laha nuku akwa porichay ko emoa. Please guys introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Marcus.
And you're from?
And I'm from Norway. Yeah, and I'm 20 years old.
Hello, my name is Marxis and I'm from Norway and we are from Viken.
Hello, my name is Eirik and I'm 21 years old and I'm from Kristiansand, also Norway.
Johar, मेरा नाम हेलेना है, मैं teacher है, and I'm 36 years old.
Hello, my name is Marin and I'm from Viken as well in Norway.
Hello, my name is Trim. I'm also working at Viken as a teacher together with Helena.
Are in the Langtitik school, Bharat Disam Khon, Malda district. तो नहीं तो अब all chiki bun seraya meet te in lahatin raya una time nukuku raya. Let's just repeat after me, okay? O ot o ong all a I ow e is in ear u ui ud ui e ep ad an add o ot o mu to the gahala to the rela farka ohot. So nice of you. And now I would like to share these books with you, which are written by my father. These are poems, and these two are magazine. And this is limited edition, so I couldn't bring more. So there you go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And
Thank you. Salam.
Adi Johar, Amasaram.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
thank you. ठीक गया मतलब नौका के अबू हो चिकी बुन सेडाय मा और हर हो से एटा जत्रेन अबू मानवा गोटा दिसम रे अबू चिकी पासना मा नो बोन कुरुमुटे मा इन्या पाटा को नो दो कटी कुरुमुटे थाके माइन खन सरन को जोहार